Okay, so my husband made this rack for me. He actually made it so I could dry my clothes and not use the dryer.
Before we get too far in this video, I want you to go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so more people can see this video and you don't miss any new content.
It works great for that all the time, but when we have a snow party here with all my grandchildren, it's awesome because they come in soaking wet and we can hang, I think we've got 7 or 8 kids here, all their snow things. To dry quickly, and I put it in front of our heat source, which we have a wood stove, but it would work with any heat source. And when I use this for my regular laundry, I hang my socks on these parts, and then I'm able to put like a big t-shirt and underwear or something like that. So all in all, that would mean that it has 9 lines, pipes that you can hang things on, as well as all those little side pieces. Moves around on the floor pretty easy. We don't have this one glued. You can glue it if that works better for you. We left it unglued, but it still holds together. So we've had this one for about 10 years, maybe longer. Time goes so fast, and it's just like it was when we made it, so works great.
Now let's go over the parts needed. 8 sections of PVC pipe cut to 15 inches long. 12 sections of PVC pipe cut to 22 inches long. 11 sections of PVC pipe cut to 42 inches long. Now for the fittings, we need 8 of the 3-way fittings, that's item number 33. We also need 8 of the 4-way fittings, that's item number 43. You will also need 8 of the slip T fitting, that's item number 63. That does it for the parts. Thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to purchase any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.